I had these clients call me who were trying to refinance with a bank, and they're doing an FHA to conventional refinance, and their appraisal came in low. And I said, I have a 100% success rate with property inspection waivers, aka no appraisal on FHA to conventional, and it's true. And their deal's pretty clean, but I had some really hairy deals go through with no appraisal. So I run it through, and I find out that the bank submitted an appraisal to what's called the UCDP, which is a portal. And so Fannie Mae is aware of this appraisal. So now I need to order an appraisal instead of just getting a property inspection waiver. So because these people went to a bank first, they're going to need 2 appraisals to close the deal, and we're subject to the value, whereas I could have closed it in 10 days, better rates. By the way, I'm 0.5% lower than the bank. So just make sure you call me first. They would